Peter?
Hello.
Do you feel sad now? You come here. Do you feel sad? Huh? Do you
Sad?
feel sad? Yes. Do you feel sad?
Sad.
No? Huh? Or do you feel so much stress? Oh, speak Chinese. Don't speak Chinese. Oh, like that. Or do you feel happy?
Huh?
Do you feel happy? And tomorrow also we will go to play game. Tomorrow we will go to play game. You know that? Tomorrow we will go to.
Tomorrow
You won't come tomorrow? Will you come or you won't come? Because tomorrow we will go to play game. Do you know that?
no.
You don't want?
Me tomorrow is go to the mom.
Are you sure? You won't come? Are you sure? It's a good, very good game. Everybody loves it so. Did you ask Wayne? It's a very, very good game. We will play so good game. You can ask Wayne. Okay. Which sport do you like?
I like track.
I like track. Who is lighter?
The gymnast is lighter
Then,
than the football player.
tell me about the girl, before and now.
Huh? Oh.
She
She was slow. Now she's fast.
She's fast. Okay. Is the football player faster than the swimmer?
Yes, he is.
Which is bigger, the elephant or the rabbit?
The elephant is bigger than the rabbit.
Okay, thank you. Can you read this part? Linda.
Linda, what's your job? I'm a captain on a boat. My job is great. It's a pre-job boat. No, it's a fishing boat. How many sailors do you have? I have 4 sailors and a cook. Where does the cook work? In the kitchen. There's a little kitchen on the boat. What do you do in the evening? I read and then I sleep.
Okay, thank you, Peter.